Hi, I'm Young. Happy New Year of the dog. So I'm wearing dog sweater to wish you guys all a very happy new year of 2018. One of the viewers asked me a very interesting question that I've never thought about. So we use OTG cable to connect RC and mobile phone together. But he asked whether we can use some other cable. So whether that will affect the flight of MAVIC Air. I actually didn't really know about it. So this weekend I investigated how we can fly MAVIC Air with RC and even without RC. And also OTG cable and with just normal cable that connects mobile phone with RC using this USB. Sometimes you may even forget about OTG cable. That could happen, and you just happen to have some other cable that connects, because we usually bring this kind of cable to charge our phone everywhere. I'm using Galaxy Note 8. I can sort of use it like this. Interesting setup, but it's actually usable.
Take off. Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home. Low battery warning. Take off. No signal. Go home. Take off. Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
So this test is about how far MAVIC Air can fly, only connected with mobile phone to control the drone. Maybe it's a little bit unlikely scenario that you don't bring RC, but it's very likely that RC might have run out of battery. Actually, it happened to me in the last trip in the Philippines because RC start charging my phone just like the battery pack. That's really no good because then RC start draining battery really quickly. And what I also noticed is that charging this RC, you need a little bit of like strong power output. So I only took my travel adapter and USB cable and it didn't charge my RC. Thankfully, I brought in some power pack with more than 2 amp output. You know, sometimes it is possible that you need to control MAVIC Air with mobile phone only. So let's see how the test went.
Take off. Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Maximum flight altitude reached. Maximum flight distance reached. Go home.
So I do hope you found this video quite useful, and maybe it can come handy when you completely haven't prepared the bag properly, which I think is a little bit of a rare case. But you know, there can be all kinds of situations while we travel. Do give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more MAVIC AIR videos. See you next week and Happy New Year of the dog again. Bye!